If you want the best wireless printers to kick off 2021, then we can help. All the brilliant wireless printers on this page come with either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, and often both, which makes them incredibly flexible devices that are easy to install in any home or modern office. Because they don't need to be connected to a PC or router with wires, you can place them pretty much anywhere as long as there are a power socket and decent Wi-Fi connection. Not only does this make them easy to install in a building, but it also means you can easily connect wireless devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones as well. A lack of wires makes for a much cleaner desk or office as well. Of course, by being connected to your network, albeit wirelessly, the best wireless printers benefit from advanced network features as well. If you have a small network, for example, every PC connected to your network can print to them, making them ideal for businesses. Many even allow you to scan and email documents directly from the wireless printer itself. In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best wireless printer UK available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches and it has been listed based on economic, features, and prices. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need the best wireless printer UK, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present top 6 best wireless printer UK. Let's get started with the list of the best wireless printer UK. Number 1. Canon PIXMA mg2550S, all-in-one printer. Features: resolution up to 4800 to the power of 1 x 600 dpi. Technology: 2 fine cartridges, black and color. Mono print speed, approximately 8.0 im. Two-sided printing, manual. High quality prints. Print more pages with XL ink options. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TS5350, multifunctional Wi-Fi printer. Features: recommended ink cartridge. Experience the freedom of Wi-Fi connectivity. Creative Park. Style credentials. Hassle-free. There's an app for that, print. Share-worthy snaps. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. HP 5AR83B DeskJet 2710, all-in-one printer. Features: resolution black, best up to 1200 x 1200 rendered dpi. Print speed 7.5 of 5.5 ppm, black of color. 60 sheet input tray. Flatbed scanner. HP Instant Ink ready with 2 months trial included. Reliable connectivity with dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset and Bluetooth 4.2. Wireless and HP Smart App capable. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 4. Canon PIXMA TS3350, multifunction Wi-Fi printer. Features: experience the freedom of Wi-Fi connectivity. Compact and connected. Simple setup. Available functions: Wi-Fi print, scan and copy, cloud. Optical scanner resolution 600 x 1200 dpi. Display 1.5 segment mono LCD. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 5. Epson Expression Home XP 3100 Print, Scan, Copy Wi-Fi Printer. Features: stylish 3-in-1 with LCD screen, save money, space and time. Mobile printing, freedom to print from almost anywhere. Individual inks, save money by only replacing the color used. Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct, wireless printing with or without a network. Number 6. HP Smart Tank Plus 570 Wireless All-in-One Printer. Features: print, copy, scan, ADF, wireless. Fast and easy setup. Clean, easy refill experience. Wireless and mobile printing. High quality, long-lasting inks. Extremely low cost printing. Automatic document feeder. Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.